Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
Hi, welcome to Max Your Journey. My name's Alvin.
My name's Dana.
Thank you guys for joining us. Please hit the subscribe button to join the tribe and follow along for our camping adventures, journeys, and tips. All right, welcome back to Max Your Journey. As you can see, your favorite camping YouTube channel. Today we have a thermostat tutorial for you, switching from Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit. We have a 2020 Keystone Sunset Trail brand. It should work on all those models, but you more importantly want to have the airxcel thermostat. Let me show you what I mean. Should look somewhat like this. 3-button configuration. You want to hold this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll flash. Switch over. Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Hold again, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flash. Switches over. So again, thank you guys. Hit that subscribe button. Check out some other channels while you're here, or videos while you're here, and continue to max your journey. We have plenty of tips and tricks. Check them out. Thank you guys.